Good day, dear friends. This is Ivan from World Outreach in South Africa, and I'm excited to share with you a very simple strategy to engage the unreached people groups in your own backyard. Yes, we know that from statistics and what we can observe with our own eyes that the world is moving. Mass migration is at a high than ever before. And so we see that the unreached people groups are also moving, yes, into our own backyards. And so how do we engage these unreached people groups? Well, first, we want to notice them. Become aware of those who are living around you. Become aware of their cultures, become aware of their languages, the people groups they are from. Secondly, why not start to pray for them? We know that prayer is a powerful tool that opens hearts and that also, more importantly, that stirs us to start to go and engage people. And that's the third step, is to actually introduce yourself to some of these dear people living amongst us. As we become friends, as we become neighbors, as we reach out, we will also have the opportunity to, at some stage, share our faith and make the gospel available to those who have never had the gospel available to them before. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed.